If you're noticing a constant drip from your shower head or tub spout, now is the perfect time to fix it before it gets worse. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a Delta Monitor shower cartridge, the tools you'll need, and the step-by-step process to complete the job successfully. Let's dive in. Tools: Phillips screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench, plumber's grease, toothbrush, rubbing alcohol, replacement Delta cartridge, towel. Not all faucets are the same style and may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Step 1. Access. Start by shutting off the main water supply and opening the shower valve to relieve any remaining pressure. If your setup includes a tub faucet below the shower valve, open that as well to help drain residual water from the line. Next, remove the center cap from the handle using a small flathead screwdriver. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the handle screw, then slide the handle off, pull off the trim sleeve, and remove the retaining nut holding the cartridge in place. Step 2. Replace. Carefully pull the old cartridge out. If it's stuck, gently work it loose with a flathead screwdriver while avoiding damage to the valve body. Before installing the new cartridge, clean the valve housing and water inlets with a toothbrush to remove any debris. Apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to the new cartridge O-rings. Make sure the hot side is positioned on the left, then slide the cartridge into place. Once seated properly, reinstall the retaining nut and tighten it securely by hand. Step 3. Reassemble. Reinstall the trim sleeve and slide the handle back into position. Before fully tightening everything, check the temperature limit stop. Adjust it if needed to allow more or less hot water depending on your household preferences. Once you're satisfied with the setting, secure the handle and tighten the screw. Adjust and test. Turn the main water supply back on slowly. Open the shower valve and allow air to purge from the system. Check for proper operation and inspect for leaks around the cartridge area. Verify that the hot and cold water function correctly and confirm the temperature adjustment is where you want it. If your shower head has a screen or strainer, this is also a good time to clean it before putting it back into service. And that's it. With a new Delta Monitor cartridge installed, your shower should operate smoothly and that annoying drip should be gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.